Today, we're diving into the impact of AI-powered writing tools. Have you noticed how they're changing the way we create content?
Absolutely. They make drafting emails, reports, and even stories so much faster. But do you think they're making us lazy?
That's a fair point. Sometimes I worry people might rely too much on them. But on the flip side, they help improve grammar and style.
True. And for non-native speakers, these tools can be a real game changer. They boost confidence in writing at work or school.
Speaking of school, do you think students use AI tools ethically, or are we heading for a plagiarism problem?
It's a gray area. Some use them to learn, but others might just copy-paste. Maybe schools need clearer guidelines for responsible use.
Guidelines could help. Still, I find it fascinating how AI can suggest ideas or even rewrite sentences. It almost feels like having a writing buddy.
Yeah, though sometimes the suggestions are a bit off. I once asked for a poem and got a shopping list. That was a surprise.
That's hilarious. But seriously, do you feel AI writing tools can replace professional writers someday?
I doubt it. They're great with structure and grammar, but creativity and nuance are still life's very human strengths.
Agreed. There's something about a human touch, anecdotes, humor, emotion that AI just can't replicate yet.
Plus, AI often misses cultural context or subtle jokes. It can't know your audience as well as you do.
Exactly. On another note, do you think companies should rely on AI for customer communication?
For basic queries, sure, but when things get complicated, nothing beats a real person's understanding and empathy.
I guess it's about balance, using AI for efficiency, but keeping people in the loop for the personal touch.
Well said. I wonder, as AI evolves, how will our relationship with writing change over the next decade?
Maybe we'll collaborate more, blending AI speed with human creativity, like having a digital muse.
That sounds exciting, or maybe even a little scary. Imagine AI critiquing our every word.
Yikes. But as long as we use these tools wisely, I think they'll keep making writing more accessible for everyone.
Completely agree. They're just tools. How we use them is what counts.
So, listeners, how do you use AI writing tools in your life? Are you cautious or all in for the AI revolution?
Let us know your thoughts. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of AI and writing.